Hello and welcome back. So I thought that I was going to be doing like a phone video today, but it turns out that although I had drawing on today, it was more just to catch up and sort of say goodbye for the Christmas break. And although I did get a little bit done, not as much as I was hoping, which is okay. I can kind of make that up during the week. So I thought I would add the rest of the scales in here, which is just going to be the tedious task of masking and extracting the basic shapes, and then obviously editing them all later. So I'm going to do that now. So the basic premise is to draw the basic shape of what I want, like so, and extract and accept. And then yeah, just basically do that. So we can use the mask area to get a nice clean cut on the back as well. Cool. We'll just keep going. So you can see that they're all kind of like the same size. And we'll move them around, push and move them around so that they fit properly. But we just want to get the, as I said, just the basic shapes down. So I don't know what happened there. Let's delete that. Oh. No, let's not do that. Oh. God damn. I hate deleting stuff. So can we append that back in? No. Alright, well I'll have to reopen this. Open. No. There's probably a way to get that back, but I can't remember. Alright. I might start from the back. So yeah, just trying to think what has happened over the last few days. Not too much really. Oh, that's way too big. So you want sort of in between those. Bit more. There we go. Oh. Alright. So when I'll just explain what I'm doing. So when I've selected this, I go extract and accept, and then it brings me into this subtool. So I'll deselect the mask by holding Control and just clicking off, and then Alt clicking onto the model. If we actually go solo, you can see that it's still masked. So I'm just dragging down to unselect that mask as well. So yeah, I think once I add these in, will be pretty sweet. For having pretty much all the geometry in. So we'll add all these in, and then I think it's literally just like the fins, some teeth, and then we've got all the geometry and the shapes will be good and everything like that. But yeah, and then it'll just be details, and whether I get to that before I go away for Christmas or not, I don't know, but yeah, we'll see. So I'm going to save it there and just make this a short one, because I've literally just got the rest of that to do now. But yeah, I'll leave it there. So hopefully you had a good Wednesday, and I will catch you tomorrow. Cheers.